Hello and welcome back to CrochetSmash. In the previous video I was showing you a beautiful motif which we made like this one. Then I said I will have some ideas, so here is another idea I made, but now let me try to recreate it for you guys. So we start with a magic circle, and just like the previous video we are going to make a chain 1, 8 single crochet in the ring, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to tighten and join to the first single crochet. Oh, by the way, I am using a 5mm hook and a medium weight yarn. Let us change the color in each round. Now for the contrast I will add some white. See here we are I just did all in white. Chain 1, single crochet, then we make a chain 3, and in this single crochet we are making 3 double crochets. And skip the first single crochet, go to the next one. Make like that 3 more times. Now we finished 4 petals and insert the hook into the first one, and we are going to change the yarn color. Let us do some yellow here. So I'm going to get the yellow color, bring it through both the loops. Now I can cut the white. Again similarly chain 1, then single crochet. You can refer to the previous video to make this round as well. Okay, now I'm going to chain 3 and 3 more double crochet. And the first one we are going to use a single crochet to the chain 3 of the previous, then the next step we are going to do the single crochet to this one. Refer to the previous video, I will give a link to that in the description. Now that round is finished, and I'm going to join another color so you can see. This time I'm going to add some black. Okay, tighten both the yarn tails. Okay, now we are going to do the 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to make a treble in the same space. Then we are going to do, did I do the chain? Oh yeah, chain 2. Then in like the previous video, I'm going to make 7 single crochets in these stitches. 1 2 3 4, then 3 single crochet in the chain 3 space, then again chain 2, then treble, 2 trebles, chain 2, and instead of and we are going to join this chain 3 space with a single crochet, then make the next 7 single crochets evenly here. 2 no not next 7 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and finish the other 2 sides too. Now I am finishing this one by joining with a slip stitch to the initial chain 4. I'm going to cut the yarn and lock this in place. It looks pretty okay now. Just add some teal color between any two trebles in the previous round. Bring the yarn up, and I'm going to chain 3, then 2 more double crochet, then chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same space. Then I'm going to make a chain 1, then 1 2, skip the first 3 single crochets, and the 4th one we are going to make 3 double crochet, 3, then chain 1, skip the next 3, go to this, then we make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in between that 2 treble, then chain 1, we skip the chain 2 and 1 2 3 single crochet and making 3 double crochet in the 4th single crochet of the previous round. 2 3, then chain 1, skip all this and go to the space between the 2 trebles and make another granny corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, then to the side we skip the chain 2 and 3 single crochets and on the chain 1 and make a 3 double crochet on this 4th single crochet on the side, 2 3, then chain 1, make the next square corner, 1 2 3, chain 2, 1 2 3, then chain 1, skip all this and we are moving to the 1 2 3 4, 4th single crochet and making chain 3, then we make a chain 1 and slip stitch. Now it is almost a square. We can do one more round just like this one. So I'm going to slip stitch to the corner chain 2 space, then make a chain 3, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, then chain 2, another 3 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2 and 3, then chain 1, and we make a 3 double crochet on the chain 1 space, then chain 1 and go to the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet, 3, then chain 1 and make the next corner, that is 3 double crochet and chain 2 and 3 double crochet, then chain 1 and we are going to make the side, that is 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space here, then chain 1, skip the 3 double crochet of the previous round and come back to the chain 1 space, make a 3 double crochet, chain 1 and we are going to make the corner, that is 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, make one more side, one corner, then another side, and you can join to the top of this chain 3. Now I made the 4th side and chain 1 and I am going to join to the top of the chain 3, and that's it, we are done. So I finished the round, and all this left is to weave in all the ends and a little bit of locking.